Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to compare two columns in Excel to find differences. You'll see the easiest way to quickly check which values are present in one of the columns and which values can be found in both. Let's get started. To find differences between the contents of two columns in Excel, we need to select both columns first. Then we go to the Home tab. Click on Conditional Formatting and hover over Highlight Cell Rules. From the options that appear, we select Duplicate Values. In this window, we can choose whether we want to highlight duplicates, values shown in the selected area twice, or we can choose the option Unique, which means that Cell will highlight the values that occur in both columns only once. This is exactly what we want because we can quickly find the differences between the columns in terms of the values they contain. So we want to highlight the values that are present only in one of the columns. Of course, we can choose the color we want to use to highlight the values. Let's use this option and have the values highlighted in green. Confirm, and let's explore other useful tricks that can help you efficiently compare the column contents. Once the unique values have been highlighted, we can turn on the filter to help us sort the values, which might aid in further data processing. Select the whole area, header included, go to the Home tab, click on Sort and Filter, and choose Filter. The filter option now shows in the header of both columns, and we can conveniently sort the data in a column based on the color. For example, we can display only the unique values in the first column. You can do the same if you need to filter out only the duplicates. Simply use the Sort by Color option again to have the duplicates displayed all together. To display all the values unsorted, click on Clear Filter, and the column will show all values again. To remove the filter completely, go again to the Home tab. Click on Sort and Filter one more time, and unselect the option Filter. That's all it takes. The filter option has been removed. Before we wrap it up, there's one more thing worth mentioning. If you need to remove the highlighting we use for the unique values, it's pretty simple. Go to the Home tab once again, click on Conditional Formatting, and choose the option Clear Rules, where you can click on Clear Rules from entire sheet. Highlighting in the columns will disappear completely, and the data table will look exactly as it did at the beginning. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.